Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn Classics Polity Chapter 2 Diversity and Discrimination. In the previous chapter, we learned that India is full of diversity. But sadly, sometimes people are treated unfairly because they are different. This unfair treatment is called discrimination. In this chapter, we will understand what is prejudice, what are stereotypes, what is discrimination, and how our constitution promotes equality. Meaning of prejudice. Sometimes we form opinions about people without knowing them properly. This is called prejudice. For example, thinking poor people are less intelligent, believing one language is better than another, judging someone because of religion or caste. Prejudice means judging others negatively before understanding them. These ideas are often wrong and unfair. Stereotypes. When people fix others into one image, it is called a stereotype. Examples: girls cannot play cricket, boys should not cry, certain jobs belong to certain communities. These stereotypes limit people's freedom and abilities. They create wrong ideas in society and increase inequality. What is discrimination? When people act on prejudice and stereotypes, discrimination happens. Discrimination means treating people unfairly because they are different. People may face discrimination because of caste, religion, gender, language, economic condition, region. For example, not allowing someone to enter a temple, refusing to sit or eat with someone, giving fewer opportunities to girls. Discrimination hurts people's dignity and creates inequality in society. Caste discrimination and untouchability. One major form of discrimination in India was caste discrimination. Some communities were treated as untouchables. They were not allowed to enter temples, use commonwealths, study in schools equally. They were forced to do difficult and low paying jobs. This system was cruel and inhuman. Many social reformers fought against it. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is an important personality discussed in this chapter. B.R. Ambedkar faced discrimination from childhood because he belonged to a Dalit family. Even though he was highly educated, society treated him unfairly. He fought against untouchability and worked for equality and justice. Later, he became the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. He believed that every person deserves equal respect and rights. Equality in the Constitution. The Indian Constitution gives all citizens the right to equality. It says everyone is equal before law, no discrimination based on religion, caste, gender, race, or place of birth. Untouchability is abolished. The government also introduced reservations and laws to support weaker sections of society. This chapter teaches us that diversity is India's strength, but discrimination weakens society. We should respect every person, avoid stereotypes, treat everyone equally. Only then can we build a fair and democratic India. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NCRT explanations.